Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be checking out the M18 Fuel whole hog from Milwaukee. It is the smaller model. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we're going to be checking out the Milwaukee M18 Fuel whole hog half-inch right angle drill. It is item number 2807-20. This is the smaller, more compact model. It's not the new models. This one will do up to 220 7/8 inch holes per charge. We're also gonna weigh it and all those goodies today. Alright, so where's the side with the specs? There it is. So the specs, chuck type is half-inch all-metal keyed. RPM range is 0 to 1500. Gear case is all-metal. Top handle, yes. Built-in LED, yes. Length and weight, it's 15.6 inches in length, and it weighs 7.7 pounds. You can use augers, up to 1 1/4 inch augers in this guy. You can use self-feed bits, up to 2 9/16 of an inch. I'm pretty sure you can use standard twist drill bits as well. Holes, 7/8 inch hole saws. Pretty sure you can go bigger than 7/8 as long as you're not like pushing it extremely hard. Same Milwaukee mumbo jumbo on the back. Gonna cut the little tape on the side. I got this a part of the Buy More Save More at Home Depot. So I bought the 7 1/4 inch rear handle worm drive style Milwaukee saw and this. And I got 150 off. Empty. Here is the saw. A little cup that they put the chuck in. They do have two newer models of this. I believe they are the newer models. They are one where it has the 7/16 attachment, quik-lok attachment, and then there is the other, this chuck style, the keyed chuck. So this does have a pamphlet, the M12 M18 pamphlet. This is not one of the newer pamphlets. This does not have the MX items in it, but this pamphlet does have an entry in it. Right there, it has a 4-tool entry. It does come with your little 10-tool entry ticket, as well as, yeah, see right here. So this guy has two different variants also, the 2807-20 and the 2808-20. The 2808-20 is the quik-lok style. This one has the lower handle section, the guard. The newer ones do not. Get the bag off of this guy. This is what you can get at Home Depot, like every day. It's regular metal chuck. It does have the key. It is very nice that it does come with the key. I love that it has a storage spot for the key. That is awesome, in my opinion. So you can just pop it in. It's out of the way. So, bare tool. This guy's kind of hefty. Bare tool, this guy is 7 pounds, 9.9 ounces. What did the box say? 7 pounds, 7.7 pounds. So that's actually pretty accurate. 7 pounds, 10 ounces. It's pretty on the money. So let's put a 3 amp hour high output on it. What's it weigh? Like that. Let me put it this way. 8 pounds, 15.8 ounces with a 3. With a 6 amp hour high output, it weighs 10 pounds, 0.7 of an ounce. Okay. Sounds pretty good too. Grab the 8 amp hour. Pop the 8 on. What's it weigh with the 8? £10, 0.6. So this, with this 8, it's literally 0.1 lighter. Okay. The likely chance you're going to use a 12 on this is probably unlikely for most people, but here is the 12. Pop this right here. It's not touching the table. It's 11 pounds, 0.8 of an ounce with the 12. This is probably going to be something you're probably going to use like a 6 or one of the new 4s. I don't have any of these in the 4s yet. It's definitely a torquey little guy. Whew. It does have a very slow RPM speed, which is nice. If you put the button in the center, it locks out the trigger. Pretty easy. I'm going to use this for drilling in steel plate. That's what I'm going to be using this guy for. That's why I picked it up. We'll make drilling with regular spiral drill bits, cobalt style bits and everything. It's going to make it a lot easier to work with. All in all, for the price, I got it for $202 instead of $279. And the rear handle, 7 1/4 inch circular saw, it's $269. The refund value is $195 for that. So the refund value for this guy right here is $202. I saved $150. I will definitely insert a picture of the receipt if you guys want to see it. I'll insert it right here. Okay, we're back. So it's a good time to pick up, if you guys were looking for picking up several tools, it's a good time to do that because I also have, the M18 new fuel oscillating tool. I have the M12 new fuel oscillating tool, and I do have one of the older Milwaukee Fuel M18 one-handed recips, the 2719. We're going to be doing videos on as well. I do have a lot of stuff I need to throw those away. I've got to do a video on this guy. We've got something for my wife's garden right there, which has tubes over there. Picked up some more blades, but I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. It is torquey. That is very nice because I'm going to be using this to drill through, you know, a lot of quarter inch, 3/16, 1/8 inch, half-inch plate. So, be putting this guy to the test. It sounds pretty beastly. Just how torquey it is. Look how torquey that is. I just barely pulled the trigger. It's just extremely torquey for a little guy. I do like the handle. Would have been nice if they would have given you like a D-style handle as well. If you don't have anything in the chuck, it will stand up on its own like that. The battery is angled, so it's not going to stand up on its battery. It's just going to fall. Just so you guys know. I've been getting heavy into the Milwaukee tools. I've been using them for quite a little while. Haven't had any issues with them. They've been holding up well for me in the automotive field. I do need to pick up the little right angle M12 drill also, because I have a use for that for 2 valve 6.8 liter V10s, the exhaust studs. That drill will come in handy to drill out the exhaust studs while the engine's in the vehicle. So I'm going to be picking up one of those later on. But all in all, this guy is pretty torquey for what it is. I'm pretty impressed with it. I haven't put any... I do like that it has an old school standard style chuck that takes a key. I do like that. Something I kind of miss using something like this. You don't see tools that have these style chucks anymore. And this is a Jacobs chuck. It is a 5/64 to half-inch, 2 to 13 millimeter, 33 BA 5/8 by 16 Jacobs chuck. That is very nice to see an old school traditional Jacobs chuck. I do like that. I like that a lot. It's pretty balanced with the 3 amp hour on it, to be honest with you. And that's just my first impressions, is its balance ratio with the 3. More than likely, most people are going to be using this with a 6 or an 8 or something. Probably going to be putting a lot of hole saws in this. I will, down the future, test hole saws in it. Test Forstner bits, spattle bits. These are good for spade bits or spattle bits. These are good for hole saws. They're good for Forstner bits. They're good for regular twist style drill bits. But I don't want to make the video too long. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. If I get my hands on the newer models are a lot longer. You can get them in both variants. I'll more than likely, probably, if I buy the newer model, I'll probably buy it with this style Jacobs chuck. I don't mind the extra 5 seconds to do something, or 20, 30 seconds, whatever it is, to tighten the chuck. I'm not going to be using this on a job site, so it's not like I have to hurry. So I do have the quik-lok attachments. So the only difference on the other variant, the quik-lok variant, is this head right here is just permanently mounted here. That's all. That's the only difference. But this style, you can only put 7/16 attachments in here. Where this, you can put anything that doesn't have a quick attachment. That's why I like just the regular style chuck. For, you know, an example, I have all 3 of these guys, but it's for that. You can just lock them together. So, you can get the Forstner bits that have this 7/16 shank. You can put these, just so you guys know, you can put these physically in here. These will fit, these 7/16 will fit in a 1/2 inch chuck. So if you did want to use that as an example, you could. Just to show you guys, it does fit. So I don't know if a lot of people know that, but a 7/16 quik-lok attachment will fit in a 1/2 inch chuck. So if you guys buy the quik-lok style hole saws or Forstner bits that Milwaukee makes, you could just quick chuck them in there. Not a big deal. I have all 3 of the sizes. These are impact rated. 48, 28, 10, 40. This one is the 48, 28, 10, 30. And I have the really long 40 something inch one that's in the toolbox as well. But just figured I'd show you guys that. You can even put little guys like this 1/4 inch in there if you wanted to. I wouldn't recommend it, but if that's what you got and that's what you got on hand, you can use it. But I want to cut the video here. I do appreciate you guys watching. If you guys have any questions, leave comments down below. I'll do my best to answer your guys' questions. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do really like that it does have a rubber mold over the gear casing already. That's very nice to see that they just attach that. See, they attached it for you. You don't have to buy it extra. I kind of wish when you buy impact drivers or drill drivers or impact wrenches, I wish they just they gave you the $30 rubber boot, a part of the deal. But not a lot of the tools do come with the rubber boots. I do know the polisher does come with this rubber boot automatically. But also, one last thing, top of the description below, I do have an Ulsa Tools link from Ulsa Tools that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back a 10% coupon for myself. So if you guys use it, it will help me out get tools for a little bit cheaper as well. If you guys need it, use it. If you don't, it's okay. If you guys find anything at Ulsa Tools and you guys want to check them out, they have lots of toolbox organization. They have lots of small hand tools, stuff like that, torque wrenches. They got pretty decent tools. Got a video coming out soon on the SAE super thin wrenches, which will be nice to have. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace!